Hey, and welcome back to the More in Hospitality Group podcast. In this episode of the podcast, I'm going to give you a tour of the full 5 steps to your first catering client course overview. So, many of you have probably already taken the Section 1, Module 1 Foundations part of the course that is forever free. You can enroll into that right now. You just check the link in the description and you can check that free course out. But after you have completed that course, you might be wondering what you get in detail in the full course. So I'm going to take you on a tour of that right now. So as we get into that, don't forget, like and subscribe and share and hit that notification bell on this video. Likes are the best metric for the algorithms to share our content with like-minded people who are trying to get out on their own in the catering business. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So here we're on our website, moreinhospitality.com, and I'm going to hit enroll now. And we're going to be taken into our full course as if you were a enrolled student. So you can see you are step 1, foundations. This is the free section of the course that you get to take. And after, if you decide you want to dig deeper into the more detailed nitty-gritty of the course, you can sign up for the full course. But you will always get this first module free. So we'll decrease that, and we'll open up section 2, War Map. So what do you get in the War Map? There's 5 videos that you get to watch, and you're going to learn how to figure out where you're going to get your food, where you're going to be able to prepare your food, how you're going to design your menus, what software you're going to need, and how to target the right customers. So this is the type of module where you're sort of setting the groundwork for actually getting out there and doing the jobs. So as opposed to the first, the foundations, those are very basic, how to start your business, what licenses you need to start. But step 2 gets more into you don't have your own location because you're just starting out. So where are you going to find a commercial kitchen that you can prepare food? And where are you going to get bulk food to purchase for these events? And that's what this module gets you into. And you do have plenty of resources to go through and downloadable material that you can explore further. Section 3 here is the menu guide. This is the most popular section of my courses and the most sought after, mainly because of the menu costing spreadsheet that you get. And the menu costing spreadsheet is free, and you can get that on the website at moreinhospitality.com. You scroll down a little bit and look for free spreadsheet, that button, and you click it and you'll get a downloaded copy onto your device. And you can use that for costing out your menu. In this 40-minute video, which you only get a preview of on our YouTube channel, in this 40-minute video, I will take you through step by step, holding your hand all the way on how to write an appealing menu for your client. I'll give you the templates that you need to design a menu for those clients that you end up getting. And I'll also teach you how to portion, how to forecast how much food you're going to need to buy, and how to cost out the menu so you know exactly how much you need to charge the customer in order for you to make the money that you want. And that's what you get in the Step 3 menu guide of our course. And moving on to the most important part of the course is Step 4, the stranger to client module of the course. And this is how you actually get your first high-paying catering client. And this is in my opinion, the most useful part of the course. So you get, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos on how to get your first catering client. In the introduction, we'll introduce the course, the stranger to client strategy. We'll talk about my theories on selling your services to clients. And in the 15th video here, the 15th module, build a website, I'll give you the step-by-step on how to create your own website if you like. You get a handout for that as well as to help you design your own website if that's what you want to do. The 17-minute website builds this website for you step by step. Banquet Event Order Bible. That is the contract that you will create with your client after you've talked to them. This is the Bible for the event, so it tells you everything that you need to know and everything your client needs to know about the event, especially how much it's going to cost them. And that's what you get in that module. And then the next two courses, the Thumbtack Mastery and the Thumbtack Sales Process. So I recommend if you're just starting out, you use a local app called Thumbtack, and I show you exactly how to use the app, how to set up your profile, how to get reviews when you're just starting out so that your profile looks as great as it can. And this is how you're going to be getting some of your first catering clients. And once you set this up and you actually find a job that you are interested, I give you the entire stranger to client sales process script. It comes with a 49-minute video and a stranger to client sales script for you to follow along. And I'll take you step by step from setting up your Thumbtack account to reaching out to your first catering client through Messenger, and I give you templates for all of that as well, all the way through to them responding to your message, and I get you onto your first call with the client as well. And I walk you through that process and what you should be asking them and the types of conversations that you'll be having with them. And I take you all the way through until you actually get a BEO formulated and you're sending it off to the client. This is no question left unanswered module on how to bring somebody who's an absolute stranger to become a high-paying catering customer for you. This is the most valuable section of the course altogether. This is where you actually get your clients, and this is why you're taking the course. And the final module is also very important. It's execution of the event. So I give you some pointers, tips, and tricks on how to execute these events in the best way possible. The hospitality section, number 23 there, is the most important as far as I'm concerned when dealing with customers. You are a hospitality professional, and I give you the tools you need to present yourself in that light to the customers that you are going to eventually, inevitably win with my strategy. And this is the everything else that you get when you sign up for the full course. So if you have already went through the foundations course, section 1, step 1, and you were curious to see what else is offered, that is just a sneak preview. This video is just a sneak preview into everything else that you'll be getting. There's over 20 hours of footage, and there's plenty of support material that you will get, and you obviously get full one-on-one contact with me throughout the entire process. I will help you be successful. So if you are ready, go ahead, sign up for our home-based catering business ultimate bundle, all 5 courses in the link in the description, and get started with your own catering business. I will see you on the next video.